Hey guys, so I thought I'd give you an update real quick on what's going on. I'm just sitting outside with Daddy and Tristan. Look how cute he looks in the natural light. His painting is really subtle, but I love it. It's really well done. So anyways, I might sound a little bit like a frog because I just woke up from a nap, but had my appointment with the doctor for the ear, nose, and throat specialist, and everything went well. He said my eardrum was healed, although there's a lot of fluid that remains behind the eardrum. So that's what's causing my hearing loss. I have to continue on antihistamines and my Nasacort, and then follow up in 3 weeks. If it is still fluid behind the eardrum, he's going to drain it. So that's where we are. And so just a prayer would be nice so that it heals on its own and my body absorbs it. And that's what he said the normal thing it would do is. So, and I have to tell y'all, thanks so much for all the wonderful names. I haven't got to go through all of them. I plan on doing that this weekend when I have time to catch up and look at every single one of them. But man, I was thumbing through and there's a lot of great names for this little one. Middle names, rather. Anyways, guys. Daddy wants to say hi.
Hi.
So excuse my camera going everywheres and having to see my hand and everything, but I'm trying to do this one-handed. And generally I have it on a tripod. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to catch you up on the info. Remember, the giveaway ends October 15th. And so there's still lots of time to enter. You must like, share, and subscribe to my channel and that video. And that's about it, guys. So I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.